your favorite cutie with no motherfucking booty.
And the biggest gangsta on the planet, and you know what it is.
Period.
You said it is.
Babe, tell them what the fuck we got going on today.
We want ice cream, little David ice cream. You know, little David cakes rub on. Now they got the ice cream. Let's see what they tasting like. Y'all,
I hope these bitches busting. Like,
at least taste a little bit like what they.
But I know they not gonna be. I don't even fucking fuck with Lil Debbie's no more. But before we get further into the video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe
to the game if you want to hang.
Y'all, so let's get straight into this motherfucking video. I'm going motherfucker first. Today we're gonna be starting off with the cosmetic brownie ice cream. Period. What the fuck? Show them. And what is that? Oh, show them. Ew.
You said you going first, right?
No, I said I was gonna pick first, Pooh.
They put brownie pieces in it?
Yes, they put, y'all, they put the brownie pieces in it. On top of all that extra ass chocolate, and the brownie just soft. Ew. I right there a fucking 0. What the fuck y'all on, Debbie boy?
They know those nasty.
Which one you want to go with next, baby?
Strawberry shortcake.
Next, we're gonna go with the strawberry. Y'all, they been in the fridge, came out the freezer. Next, we're gonna go with the strawberry shortcake. That good old new freezer, boy. Okay, now this shit look like it's gonna be busting. Fuck you talking about? It look like it's gonna be busting.
I'm the bearer of bad news today.
Yeah, get off that, my nigga.
That's how I feel. Just like strawberry shortcake.
Now that tastes like some strawberry shortcake. I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10.
What did you rate that brownie?
It's cool. I rate that shit a damn 0.
Yeah, 0.
And what you rate this?
I give it like a good 4 out of 10.
Y'all, it tastes like real strawberry shortcake.
So
I don't think it got the cookie pieces. It's good, y'all. I rated a 5 out of 10.
Yeah,
yes, sir.
I mean, ice cream after this
next,
video,
I wanna go. You gonna eat ice cream after this video?
Ice cream cone.
But damn, you done bust like 3 of them down today. Y'all, this nigga be tripping. I'm not even gonna get it.
I love ice cream.
He do love ice cream, y'all. That's why he be eating me, like, cause I'm your ice cream baby.
Yeah.
Like, really? My type. I'm your type of ice cream. Y'all, next we gonna go with the motherfucker zebra cake ice cream. I already know this bitch ain't hitting. Them zebra cakes be having all that motherfucker plastic icing on it and shit. I'm fucking sick of Lil Debbie. What the fuck?
I don't want to taste it.
You gonna taste this shit. He always be trying to get over. Y'all know him. Let's taste this shit. Come on. Come on. Who?
Okay.
I'm gonna tell y'all exactly what the fuck this tastes like. And I know I'm not tripping because I used to eat this. This is the only ice cream my grandma used to buy. The ice cream with the nuts in it.
These nuts. Ice cream.
Horny ass, ass nigga.
Okay, yeah.
What ice cream am I talking about though?
Pecan, butter pecan.
Butter, yes. It tastes like butter pecan ice cream. It just don't got no nuts in it. Now, y'all kind of steal motherfuckers' recipes and shit, bitch. I'm at to expose you motherfuckers.
It tastes decent. It don't taste like no butter. Butter pecan tastes good.
This tastes like buttered pecan. The only thing why I don't like this ice cream, and I'm gonna throw this in the trash right after this video, is because
all of these going in the trash.
Yeah, all of them, every single last one of them going to trash. Is because they melt too fast, y'all. They melted already a little bit. Exactly, but don't try to like. Y'all, I'm telling you, I make the best ice cream, y'all. I'm gonna start selling ice cream, so like.
Listen, let me tell you.
I'm gonna start selling ice cream, and it's gonna be so fucking good. I'm gonna make so much motherfucking look off that shit, like, bitch. When I tell you, my ice cream hits every time, don't it, babe? Don't it, babe?
Your ice cream hit?
Yeah, every time.
I can't remember you made some ice cream. Listen, this is not.
Quit the fucking cat, bro. This nigga's a cat. I'm the one.
This is not called the Cap Show. This is called the DEONNA&DJAYE Show.
Y'all.
No,
What's next for real? Let's get into this motherfucking video. Let's finish this motherfucking video up, y'all. If y'all been liking all the videos we've been posting, stop fucking playing with me. Stop fucking playing with me, bro. Stop fucking playing with me before I stand on your ass, for real. Like, quit playing with me. Don't motherfucking. The cookies and cream, the cookies, ice cream. The camera cut out. He be trying to roast my ass bad.
Oh,
what, bro?
God, you are hell.
How? I ain't did shit.
You said your ice cream. You make the best ice cream. What? Scoop it out the bucket.
Get the fuck out. Do not fucking listen to him. This nigga is cat. He know I make the best ice cream in the world. Y'all make that shit. Y'all holler at me. Make sure y'all come to try some. My motherfucking ice cream. That shit is button. Y'all, next we gonna go with the motherfucking Nutty Bar ice cream. Let's try this, nigga. I'm not fucking lying. Stop always trying to say I'm lying. I'm not. Every time the camera come on, y'all try to do this to me. What the fuck? Y'all, I'm sorry, I gotta smell it. Every motherfucking time I'm gonna smell it. Come on. Come on, what you doing?
Hey man, keep your butterfingers on.
My butterfingers. Y'all recommend some snacks, recommend some restaurants, recommend to anything and everything.
Wherever y'all
if y'all know any boxes we could try, anything we could order, any restaurants we could.
Hey, but you never know.
Come on, come
walking
on.
past snacks like right in our face that we just not used to eating.
That tastes like the Reese cup syrup we got in there. Y'all, I'm gonna rate that a 5 out of 10. It tastes pretty good, but it tastes pretty melty at the same time. So that's when we're gonna get an even 5.
And I get some water.
That was a Nutty Buddy ice cream.
Throw up, man. That shit's a 0.
Why the
I'm
fuck?
not capping, man. Give me mama.
That thing has a big ass cap. You know,
if the human being got beat this motherfucker up. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, that swung on it, like just the taste of it. Man.
Y'all, the whole motherfucking container is 900 calories. What the fuck are you talking about? This shit is disgusting. They ain't do shit but put fat on your motherfucker.
But I'm just trying to figure out, at least if you gonna be killing them motherfucker, at least make it good. Like, you gonna make me die a painful fucking death?
I thought these was just gonna be like a
crazy, man, the planet.
Like a seasonal thing, but I guess they really keeping these out.
Yeah,
these shits are ass. Next we y'all gonna go with the honey bun. The honey bun. And I used to bust them motherfucking honey buns down. Like, baby, I used to put them motherfuckers in the microwave, put them on 10 seconds.
Look at us right now. Eating motherfuckers.
And they used to be good in a bitch. I'm not gonna lie, they used to be whoo. If y'all still do that, comment down in the comment section below. Come on, damn.
Just say I'm capping.
Y'all, truth in there always motherfucking crying. This is the most disgustingest one. Y'all, we tired of spending money on this motherfucking nasty shit. Comment some good shit down in the comment section below. Comment restaurants y'all want us to go to. Make sure you guys check out our description box below. Yes. Follow our social medias. Follow us on all platforms at DEONNA&DJ. Get the fuck up out of here. If you're in Indianapolis and want to collab or wherever you at and you want to collab, check that description box below, y'all. No, I'm talking so slow, y'all, because like.
Why are you talking so slow?
Cause
we can't be talking fast, like.
I always talk fast, but you know that. Exactly. But anyways, y'all, this is the end of that video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe
to the gang, and if you don't, you can't hang.